So if you've seen my video on how to read cube notation, right now we're gonna do an exercise together. We're gonna reconstruct my fastest official solve together. This was a 5.88 second solve, and till this day it is the Belgian national record. So here's the scramble for that solve, and as you know, we need to hold white on top, green on front. Let's start with an R2, B2, R2, F2. And as you can see, doing double moves isn't difficult because you don't have to take into account which side to turn the face. But right now we have a U. Looking at the up face, this is clockwise. F2, U2, F2, L2. This time U prime, R prime, U prime. And now we have a B move. It seems to be counterclockwise from this side, but that's because this is clockwise. So once again, B, U2, F counterclockwise, R2, U prime, R, F2, U2, and finally another B move. So right now we have the scramble. Now guys, you should know that reading these scrambles initially takes a lot of effort, but once you get used to it, it just feels like reading and you can do it really fast. Here is me doing the same scramble just as I'm reading it. Because I'm so used to it, it goes really fast. So because I do yellow cross and I don't do any rotations initially, we can just start reading my solution from here. We start off with the cross. For that we first do a D prime, an R prime, a D prime, an L move, and a D move. This solves the cross and a pair into the back. Then to insert this pair, I do an L prime, a U, and an L move. Here we go. Then I do a U move, and to insert this three mover, I do R, U, R prime. Now for the last pair, which is right here in the back, I do something special. I rotate and do a U prime. And this rotation and U prime can also be written down as a wide D prime. Because it's essentially the same thing, like rotating and doing a U prime is the same as just doing a wide D prime. Then for this pair, I start with a wide R prime move, a U prime, an R move, a U, and right now we have an M prime. Take into consideration that the M layer turns in the same direction as the left layer. So an M prime, looking at the left layer, would be like this. So this is the OLL, and you might recognize it because it's a zoom case. So a U2, R, U, R prime, U, R. And right now it's a U2 prime, meaning that I turn the pair this way. Then an R prime. Then PLL, once again U2 prime. And then it goes like this. R prime, U2, R, U2 prime, R prime, F, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F prime, R2. And the cube is solved. I'm kind of impressed I did all of that in 5.88 seconds. Guys, keep practicing cube notation by scrambling your cube for each solve, and you'll get the hang of it in no time. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao guys.